Sir, sir, guns down. I will give you a first warning. Guns down, sir. Okay, sir. Second
Hello,
warning. I
sir.
will give you
Guns down, sir.
guns down. Okay, sir. Sir, second warning. Lower your gun, sir. Guns down, sir. Sir. Okay. Arrest him. Arrest him. Sir
Sir
Basam.
Ian, sir.
Go arrest him because don't lower your
Sir,
gun.
Macros, Macros.
Macros, sir. Macros. Hey, Macros. Use your Macros. Hey. Use your Macros, sir, Leon. Hey. Bro. Use your Macros. Hey. Sir
Sir,
Leon, use
Macros,
your
sir.
Macros. Sir Macros. Don't Macros, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, next time, drop your macros, faster. Okay, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. Get into the car. Go. Let's go. Bamang kasi, I will back.
Go back? Where?
Yeah, I'll back here later. Hey, later
Come, sir.
after we
Dragon, let's
deal
go,
these
sir.
people. Okay, let's go. Bye, ma'am. Ingat ka. Ay, lang. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. What the problem, sir?
Sir, we give you all warning, sir.
Hey. Hey.
Sir, you open the fire
Yeah,
and
what the
in the
fuck?
green zone, sir.
Green zone.
We gave like, sir, all three warnings, sir. You didn't comply, sir.
Yes, sir. I give 3 warning to lower
I
your
do not
gun.
like. I do not complain.
Yes, sir. You have been arrested by OSPD for not following the rules in green zone
Hey.
because you don't get your lower your gun in the green zone. That you know, in green zone you can hold your gun for only give a 3 warning. If you don't comply a 3 warning, will be arrested, sir. Okay, sir
Sir
Ian,
Ian,
go.
can you go and come, sir? We wait here, sir.
Put the violation, sir Ian, and ask his passport.
Yes, sir.
Hey, one violation, mother. I'm recording.
You're recording, sir?
Yeah,
Sir,
I
we
am
are
on
also
cam.
recording, sir. We are
Oh yeah,
recording from the
Sir,
it's
beginning,
alright.
sir.
It's alright.
sir, don't wait. Sir, don't worry. We have a record. You and the Sir Ian have
For
a record, and
safety.
he's give you a
Oh
three
yeah.
warning. He's
I'm
give a three
recording.
warning, and you don't.
What
Yeah,
you
yeah,
want? Oh, nice, nice. Ano ito?